Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 14th till the 20th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, masterclass link is given below in the description box. And if you want to start your self-love journey, the 30 days self-love challenge is live now. You can definitely take it and you can start a rebirth right now. Let's start, Cappies. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. We have the Three of Swords. It's very heartbreaking kind of energy right now that they're experiencing. Maybe they're going through some kind of breakup or separation or something else in their life, like from somebody else maybe, and they're trying to find solace in you, and or they're heartbroken broken over the situation between you and them only. Let's clarify. Let's clarify to get the clear picture, honey. Let's see what we have. We have the Five of Wands, the Seven of Swords, the Devil. Oh my God. This person is conflicted because they got to know some kind of secret about you, some kind of cheating, lying, deception, manipulation kind of energy came out, and that's related to you. Either you were directly related to that, and or something related to you came out to them, came out in the light, and this is kind of breaking their heart in so many pieces. My God, this person is deeply hurt. For some of you, they cheated on you, they did something really wrong with you, and now they are going through the consequences, and now they're feeling heartbroken about why they did whatever they did with you. Wow. It's clearly indicating a third party interference and a broken heart. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey? We have the Ten of Wands. This is a very burdensome and heavy energy for you to carry around. So you feel like letting it go. You're trying to let go of something or someone that's weighing you down. But are you able to do that? That's the question here. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands here, honey. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Nine of Swords, and the King of Cups. The problem here is that you carry a lot of love for this particular person or situation, even if you're trying your best that to let it go so that everything is going to be fine, everything should be fine in the coming future. You're not able to let it go. You're not able to find a solution, but the emotions are still there. The deep rooted emotions, the deep rooted love is still there. That's the issue here. Hmm. It's weighing you down. Somebody, one of you cheated on the other person here in a very brutal way, and the other person got to know about it. So even if they're trying to let it go, they're not able to do that because they still carry a lot of love and emotions here for the other person. That's the storyline. If it is not yours, then it's not your reading. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? The High Priestess, their intention is to think before they are going to speak or take any kind of action. They want to think in silence. Okay. Operate in silence. Let me clarify the High Priestess here. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the Eight of Cups. With all of the courage and strength that they have in the situation, they want to walk away from the situation before taking any kind of action, before making any kind of move in this direction. They are very deeply hurt, and they want to let go of this feeling of left out in the cold. They want to take the charge of their life in their hands, and they want to take their power back from the situation, and they definitely want to move on from this painful energy. At least they want to try. Yeah, it's a very painful energy actually. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Eight of Pentacles. You want to put in the effort and energy in the right direction, in the things that matters to you, in the things, people, situation that actually matters to you and that are going to give you something good in return. You don't want to waste your time and energy on something that you know is not good for you. Yep. Okay, let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles here. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Five of Swords. Capricorn, this is a very tricky kind of energy where you might not be able to understand what's the next move or what you should do in the situation so that you can get out of this manipulations and this mind games and this not so good energies. You're waiting for the time when you will be able to take a step forward or have a breakthrough from a situation where you are trapped. And definitely you want to put in the effort and energy in finding the right direction and finding the right answers for you. Yep, it's difficult. Difficult but not impossible, and you're trying your best. Hmm. Let's see what's coming forward. Maybe it's not a literal cheating of romantic cheating. For some of it could be possible that they got to know something about you. Maybe 10 years ago you did that, but now they are heartbroken over the situation. It's very rare, but might be some kind of addiction or illness is coming out. That is also heartbreaking for them. Maybe. Not for all of you, right? Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 20th of April, honey. We have the Page of Cups. It's like a tender feeling of, okay, let's connect. Hmm? Page of Cups is a restart of emotional kind of energy. Start or restart. It's just a brand new beginning. Let's clarify the Page of Cups, honey. We have the Two of Swords, a Magician, and the Chariot. It's like both of you are moving on your individual paths right now, but at the same time, both of you are manifesting this clarity, this honesty, this energy of okay, can we start again? You know, can we be clear and can we start again? Both of you are manifesting a clear cut path in this romantic situation where both of you are stuck and both of you are trying your best to move on an individual level, but still you guys are still energetically connected on the level of manifesting clarity and manifesting understanding in the situation. I'm very, very sick these days, so please bear with me. I'm having severe diarrhea and severe nausea kind of energies right now these days, so please be kind with me. I am just trying to recover. Okay, a lot of things are happening at once. For you, the guidance here is the Two of Pentacles. If something or someone is not giving you a sense of stability and the sense of, okay, this is it, it's high time for you to realize that you should take a step back and understand your own energies, first of all, regarding the situation, and then move towards the situation very, very slow and steady. Okay, don't be in this energy of rush or hurry, like, oh my God, I got my answer, let's do this. Because right now, your energies are not on the stable level the way they should, so that you can make any kind of life changing choice or decision. That's the deal here, honey. Yeah. So take care of yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.